Welcome back, guys. Back on another video. And today, I'm here with my friend Mankey, and we're gonna be checking out the new lava update. Yippee! So, I heard caves change. So let's go check that out.
Yeah, a lot. I told him that.
Get it.
Because I'm a biggie.
Ooh, what's this?
It's so you can heal up. Guys, we totally haven't checked out the new map already.
Well, only a quarter of it.
Come on, bro, let's go. Wait, what if there is a new map? Wait, bro, I need to check something.
There is a new map. And I hope I don't die on the glass time. I guess the update's pretty cool, but the hard thing is that you can't touch the ground because the floor's lava. The Nether. Like,
yeah, we think that's what this update's based on. We think it's based on
what the Minecraft, like, what the flint and steel, like chicken jockey.
I'm not waiting for you, by the way.
Did I just teleport to a different dimension? Like, what the? My question is, can the spider still?
I'm already farting.
Well, where did the other one go? Am I blind? I'm actually scared. I'm scared. Where'd the other one go? Oh God. It's the Yider. The most chemical toxic. Where'd you go? Whoa! I actually hate this update. No, my stuff! This is actually annoying. This update's actually annoying, bro. Like, it's cool and all, but why? Why is the lava? See? That's what I hate about the update. I had to get my stuff back without it despawning. This update actually sucks. Oh my God, I'm actually about to rage. This is stupid. This update kind of sucks, not gonna lie. It's actually annoying. It's actually good. I lost like 4K or like 5K of stuff. To make sure not to die. I'm gonna bring another one on me just in case. So, in this update, always remember to bring your MRE, because the lava, like, look how annoying that is. Look, I'm almost dead already. That's my stuff. Pig. In the pig. Okay, I'm good. I'm gonna Oh no, it's at that end. Oh, crap. I'm screwed. Woo! Okay. I think. Wait, shit, am I cooked? Ow, stupid lava. Okay, this is actually annoying. This is actually pissing me off. Like, genuinely. Okay. Wait. Okay, I'm not full HP. Holy crap. The only thing I like about this update.
Yo, bro, I'm cooked.
Why?
I might have died.
Wait. Don't. Oh, hi. Okay, I got some of my stuff back, or at least the importance. Like, look at this. It's cool, but how, like, physically, how are new players gonna get around this? I mean, unless, I'm dead. Like, the update's cool, but how are new players gonna do this? They're like, how am I gonna get across this stuff? How am I gonna get money? Like, animal company. What? Is this update, like, it's what? It's like, what? I mean, at least I can farm. Yeah, this update sucks, not gonna lie. Not gonna, who is calling me? Like, what the Minecraft? Yo, Manky, where are you? Are you getting your stuff back?
Yeah.
Did you get your stuff back?
Yeah. Coming back.
Do you have lava rocks? So I sold 3 of them and got like 1.2k. Wait, I think wait, do you have lava rocks in your bag? Bro,
What?
do you have lava rocks in your bag?
Yes.
Okay, I have a shredder. We're gonna shred it, okay?
Okay.
Oh, where's his money? Yeah, so we can get more money. I think it like times it by
God,
3.
bro. I'm at like actually 1 health. I need to.
I know, bro. It's actually annoying. No, don't sell it yet. Don't
Bro,
sell it.
I am too. Help me, please. I'm gonna die. Help, please, help, help.
My headset's low.
Bro, the moment I
No, bro. Oh my god.
Bro, let me get it.
And this
Bro,
update
that's
kind of sucks.
crazy.
This update sucks.
No.
Imagine it landing in there.
What? Bro, dude, that was my bag. Dude, no, don't sell that. Give that back. Dude!
It's crazy, bro. Oh, that's a lot of cheddar. Wait, and I was
Are
only
you serious? You sold my bag. I'm leaving.
okay. But bro, that's a lot of cheddar. Okay, guys. Well, that's gonna be the end of the video today. Bye bye. I'm not gonna style.